Hi everyone. So in this video here, I'm going to show you why the Schrader valve is not allowing you to let the air in, and this reason why the pump is not going down freely, why that air is not going through the Schrader valve properly in the rest of the tube. So if you look over here, I have hooked up the Schrader adapter, and if you look over here, very hard to pump. So this is the first mistake that a lot of people do. You see over here, I did not plug in all the way this thing here. So I'm gonna just remove that to show you. Okay, so if you look over here, you see there's like a kind of cross pin in there. This kind of pin that looks like a cross, it's supposed to push the inner pin in the valve over here inside. So what you need to do, you gotta insert it all the way. You gotta clamp all the way. If you look what's happening, okay, now that's much better. Now what I'm gonna try to do now, let's see. Okay, now it's much better. Now not quite, so you're gonna come back again here. Okay, and look now, that thing came down. So again, plug it in. Okay, I think now it's much better, and I'm gonna try. Okay, look, this is it. So again, the tip would be plug this clamp all the way onto the valve in order to allow the air to go through, and now you can start pumping. Hope you find this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.